When it comes to hairstyles, there are several options that are considered professional. One of the most popular ones is a classic bob, which is shoulder length and can be styled straight or with gentle waves for a chic and sophisticated look. Another option is a sleek ponytail, which is perfect for those with longer hair. This hairstyle keeps hair out of your face and looks polished, making it a go-to choice for many professionals. If you are looking for a haircut that grows out well, there are a few options to consider. The first is a layered cut, which allows for more flexibility as your hair grows out. This style provides volume and movement, which makes it a great choice for those who want to keep their hair looking fresh between haircuts. Another option is a shaggy cut, which also works well as it grows out. This style features lots of layers and texture, which means that even as your hair grows, it will still look stylish. When it comes to the most business haircut, it really depends on the industry and company culture. However, a short, neat haircut such as a crew cut or a slicked back undercut is often considered a safe bet. These styles are clean cut and low maintenance, while still looking professional. The most popular haircut currently is the lob, which is a long bob. This style sits just above the shoulders and can be worn straight or wavy. It's versatile, easy to style, and has been seen on many celebrities and influencers. Another popular option is the pixie cut, which is a short, cropped style that is edgy and bold. A business haircut typically refers to a short, neat style that is easy to maintain and doesn't require much styling. This type of haircut is popular among professionals because it looks clean-cut and put together. Cutting hair can absolutely be a side hustle. Many people choose to cut hair as a way to make extra money on the side, either by opening up their own salon or by offering their services freelance. Finally, a financial haircut refers to a type of debt restructuring that involves reducing the amount owed to creditors. This term is often used in the finance industry to describe a process where a borrower negotiates with their lenders to reduce their debt burden. There are many different types of hairstyles and haircuts that are considered professional, stylish, and easy to maintain. Whether you're looking for something that grows out well, is low maintenance, or is popular at the moment, there is sure to be an option that suits your needs. And if you're interested in cutting hair as a side hustle, know that it's definitely possible to turn your passion into a profitable venture.